guys, Ultra Epic Infinity YT here, and let's talk about a problem here. Oh, Gian joined me. Wasn't expecting that. Well, I'm making a video right now, and since Gian joined me, maybe I should call him right now. I'm calling him. Hey, Gian!
What's up,
I'm making
bro?
a video
Did you miss the
about
update
talking
last night?
What?
Did you miss the update last night?
What update?
The Bagdu event. Remember, I did not miss the update. I got Elder,
Well, it's fine. I got more.
Icon, Beanstalk,
Let's
Grandmaster,
join the next game. Join the next
Master,
game.
Advance,
Gian, join the
and
next
then
game.
Bagdu.
Join the next game.
Oh yeah. I'm joining.
I joined.
Legion, one server, one set. 8 Legion, one set.
So while we're playing, I'm going to talk about I'm supposed to talk about the Roblox problem. The Roblox problem. Actually, Roblox has a problem
Hi.
because the slep problem.
What's that slap?
Roblox is getting worse. Countries banning Roblox left and right, and also there will be a chance that Philippines will be planning to ban Roblox, which means me and you, Gian, cannot access it anymore, which gives quite the problem. So I'm here to talk about it in this video. So while I'm playing Squid Game, I'm just going to show you it.
I'm not playing the game.
Your lives belong to the... Okay, let's focus. Roblox looks at you when you get a child predator arrested. Basically, Roblox keeps doubling down on those holes on the banning. Like, they ban people for literally almost no reason, which gives us more problems than normal. Right?
Oh, don't worry, I just shot a guy. When I was in the lobby, I kicked someone's face when I was
No, we're
playing.
talking about the Roblox crisis. What Roblox is facing right now. I actually watched Lando Blocks. I first watched Lando Blocks on it says Roblox made it worse again, which is 23 hours ago.
Well, we're gonna get the ban.
So it says the Schlepp's new response. So Roblox is not just doubling down on the ban. Roblox is tripling down on the ban for no reason. That's insane, right?
If there's no games to Roblox, that means no one will want to play Roblox, right? And then, boom, vanish.
Make sure.
Well, what about all the games? They fight.
According to Slap, he said every account I ever made on Roblox has been terminated.
Hey Gab, you know what's the
According
awesome part?
to Slap,
I met Jandel and
Roblox is considering Slap as a literal predator. He isn't predatory. He's just exposing Roblox that Roblox is doing bad stuff. They should fix it instead of terminating all of his accounts.
yes, many accounts, right?
Roblox even gave Slap a legal cease and desist notice from Roblox. Even though I'm 12-year-old, I still know lawsuits.
I'm laggy. Why am I laggy at 8 Thank God, I have something to tell you. I actually met Jandel on the top. And he said if he will race me to the bottom.
Well,
While
anyway,
doing the parkour and no
so
cheating.
the single Roblox Predator, he's gotten arrested and has faced actions similar to this. Slap has no words for that.
Bro, he has done nothing. Why does he still get arrested? That is no reason. People have done nothing, but they get arrested. That's the problem. Why does other countries hate Roblox?
I do not know, Gian. I do not know. Other countries, actually, no. Other countries hate Roblox because of parental concerns. Do you know why? Children keeps getting addicted to Roblox. So they keep getting addicted. That means soon Roblox is gonna take over their minds for forcing them to say bad stuff. And it's gonna force us like while we're eating, we're using Roblox, which makes us eat very slow, making us late for editing.
Yeah, that's what she had to do when he said trick you.
Oh yeah, I actually don't worry. I've experienced that too. I did that when I was probably like 7 or 5. There's no need to laugh about that. Our main crisis is what Schlep has to do for Roblox. It's a CIA talking. Because if Roblox does not do any action, Roblox will face consequence with almost no one playing Roblox. That's the main problem.
And other countries will try their best to make the best game.
Roblox will countries will ban Roblox, making that not accessible to their own country, which makes it even worse. And Schlep has to do something about it. We can't do anything about it because we're just kids, and the CIA team has not. And even though the CIA team wants us to do it, they won't let us any. Even though the CIA team wants to do it, they just we're just too small for this. Slap is the one who is needed to do it. Right, Gian?
Yeah.
Slap is supposed to help us. Hey yo, what's up with
children? If children won't help, that means we are doomed. And also, Slap needs to do it because he's a pro.
Slap's only main goal is to protect Roblox. He's protecting child safety.
Slap is the most powerful astronaut.
He's not powerful.
I said or not. And I picked or not.
So Gian, Slip is powerful. He's just talking about how it concerns child because using Roblox, using a tablet so many times will make us dizzy and makes our brain overload too much that yeah, you already know something bad will happen.
Mom, can we play Girl Garden? There's a new plan.
No, we're focused on Slap.
Wake up, look! It's the Beanstalk event. I'm
They've
just
sent a
trying
cease
to
and
be
desist
stuff.
letter to me, and they've gone ahead and banned every account I own. And you might be wondering, what heinous crime did you commit to possibly deserve that? Well,
That's
what I
slap.
did was
Uh,
happened. I have just gotten a legal complaint from Roblox. I'm not even joking. They have sent a cease and desist letter to me, and they've gone ahead and banned every account I own. And you might be wondering, what heinous crime did you commit to possibly deserve that? Well, what I did was get predators arrested on their platform.
And as I said, this was just his very first response to the initial ban, but it has since
And
gotten
also,
much
Gab,
worse with
you have to
Roblox
grow
doubling down on
900
their ban,
beat
but actually
to go to the portal.
I don't want it.
tripling down on it. The initial ban was a crazy enough choice, but it got worse when Roblox for the first time doubled down on the decision that the community
My
was
burning
already
bug.
super angry about.
Yeah,
And
the community was super angry. Lando Blocks confirmed it. Roblox, Roblox literally very that. The community was super.
They actually did this by sending a cease and desist notice to Schlepp, which is honestly just fine. Roblox said, quote, while Roblox acknowledges that your stated intentions may be to protect children, while it recognizes the serious nature of online predatory behavior, your methods include
Yeah, hello, Tito Gary. I'm just talking about something.
failing to immediately report suspicious activity to Roblox, which I just gotta stop there. Roblox was basically mad over the fact that while exposing these predators, Schlepp didn't go through the proper steps to report them to Roblox.
He didn't go. Roblox just what's Roblox bad? What's Roblox bad? Roblox said that Schlepp failed to get the proper steps. Roblox failed to get the proper steps.
Oh. Gab, did you eat breakfast?
Opa, I'm going to eat now.
You eat first.
My ate's
Before you
cooking.
play.
Anyway. Okay, anyways, we're going to continue on what we're doing. Don't worry, I got the reboot cards when I die. Gian.
Roblox support first. Not only does this make absolutely zero sense, but it actually makes Roblox look so much worse than they probably intended. This is
It's Roblox is making everything worse by giving a notice about the cease and desist letter just because of him failing to do the proper steps. That's just wild and also does not make no sense. I agree with Lando Blocks, but I'm not going to. I'm not gonna force myself to do such thing. I'm playing another game, Gianna.
What about Grow Garden?
Nah, I'll play Steel Breda instead.
Ooh.
Showing my viewers all my brain rots I secretly grinded for. Anyways, Take a look at this one.
Basically saying to us, since you didn't file a support ticket against these awful people, you are now just as bad as them. Which we'll see later on that Roblox directly compared Schlepp to being just as bad as the Predators. The free
Roblox literally called him a predator when we put the display name #FreeSchlepp, and then Roblox will just ban us just for a predatory name. But don't try it, Gian.
Why does he want himself to ban us?
Roblox
That's just
doesn't
like
want.
rude.
It's not rude. It's because Roblox claimed that Schlepp is a predatory man. Roblox literally called him a predatory, which is just honestly wild and
That
rude.
movement has been huge though, and it's literally taking over the game, and Roblox of course is not very happy about this fact. If you just
Imagine
search
I
Schlepp
call
on
you-
Roblox, you'll see
Imagine
dozens and
I
dozens
call
There's
you
dozens of games.
predatory.
There's dozens of games that says free Schlepp. Do you know what the reason is? Schlepp is hosting a revolution just to get Roblox off the good side, not the bad side. Why does Roblox even want that anyway?
because nobody wants to handle this. Here's a clip
Sino may sabi sa'yo?
literally playing one of these games similar to
Basta
Schlepp,
kasapawan
and
mo.
guess what? Roblox literally kicks him from the game. You know what I mean?
Game.
Roblox
No,
banned
this
Creep just because he's just playing one of Schlepp's game. That's honestly wild.
Maglalaba pa ako, kayo papaglabay.
What I suggest Roblox to do is to follow what Schlepp says. Schlepp is the reason why Roblox is still standing right now. Roblox, I have a message for you. If you ban me, you're gay, honestly. And I want you to do the right thing and free Schlepp. #FreeSchlepp. Nick out.